Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read this question carefully. This is related to mean concept, but question is going to be very interesting. The integers from 1 to 9 are listed on a whiteboard. There is a whiteboard and numbers from 1 to 9. They are just written on the whiteboard. If an additional m8s, now what's the meaning of m8s? That means there are few 8s we have written on the board, but we don't know what the count is. So its counting is how many times 8 is written. M times 8 is written on the whiteboard. And n9s means we don't know how many 9s are added more, but yes, 9 is added how many times? N times. This is the situation in the list. Then mean of all these numbers is 7.3. Finally, what is given? Mean of all these numbers is 7.3 and we need to find the value of m plus n. I hope first of all are clear with the statement, because statement understanding is very important. Only then we can decide how to proceed. Fine. Now we are having all this data. Okay. Now what is the formula to find mean? Let us start doing this question. Formula to find mean is sum of all observations. I'm just writing it for your help. Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. This is the basic formula for finding out mean. Now mean is given to us. Mean is given as 7.3, no doubt. Sum of all observations. What does that mean? That means I need to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9, everything. Then obviously new numbers 8 and 9s are also written on the board. They are also supposed to be added. If 8 is added m times, so their total will become 8m. So I'm writing directly 8m over here. And 9s are coming n times, so their total will be 9n divided by total number of observations. Now m is the count of 8, n is the count of 9, and 1 to 9 separate numbers are also there. So total number of count is m plus n plus 9 with us. Addition is written at the top and left side is mean, which is 7.3. I hope these many steps are clear to you all. Now, how to proceed? See, this 7.3 is there. I'm going to write it as 73 over 10. In the left side, if you add 1 to 9, there is a formula n times n plus 1 over 2. We can use like 9 into 9 plus 1, 9 multiply 10. So 90 upon 2, 45. Or since this is very small calculation, you can add all the numbers. But I'm writing that adding 1 to 9, you will get 45. Then we have 8m plus 9n divided by m plus n plus 9. Firstly, we are going to create an equation from this situation by cross multiplying. For example, I'm going to multiply it here. I'll get 73m plus 73n. Then 9 will also be multiplied with 73. We will get 9 3s are 27, and here you will get 65. So 657 is the count. Let me see what I am getting in the right side now. 10 is going to be multiplied, so it will be 450 plus 80m plus 90n. Please check it. We are going to simplify this last line now. Let me create space for it. Keep checking what we can do further. Yeah. Now, if we are going to solve it, 80m is there. What I am going to do, let me first bring 450 to the left side, and this 73m transpose to the right side. 80m minus 73m, I'll get 7m, and 90m minus 73 and I'll get 17n. So I'm getting an equation 7m plus 17n is equal to, if you do the subtraction, you will get 207. Please check it very carefully. This is what we are getting. But the point is how to solve it further. We are having only one equation. One point is sometimes you will get, it's a discussion as an MCQ where few options will be there. When you will have few options with you, then you can just substitute random values of m and n and can verify, because there are very few values which will satisfy it. When you will put n as 1, try to find m. You put n as 2, try to find m. You will not get integral value always. So let me tell you, integral value we will get when m is 15 and n is 6. This m15 and n6 is the one which is satisfying it. I'll come with the basic another concept also, how we can solve and we can find exact value. But this is what most expected solution everybody would get. So m will be 15 and n will be 6, and m plus n, when you will do 15 plus 6, you will get 21. Its answer is 21. But few of you might be thinking, why should I just do hit and trial? There must be some another way of doing it. Yes, there is one more way of doing it, and I'm going to show you, but I wanted to make you clear about this also, because this is the most expected thing everybody will do. And after that, we just need to put m and n. We can have a random trial and we'll definitely get the answer. But another way where solving an equation can be done, let's suppose we were just adding, right? Right side was 7.3. Let me rewrite. It was what we were getting 45. Then m8s were there. That means 8m plus 9n divided by m plus n plus 9. It was equal to 73 over 10. Right? This is what the situation we were having. I remember that. Another way is that this fraction is equal to 73 over 10. What we can do, let 45 plus 8m plus 9n is equal to 73k. This is what we are going to do. I supposed it. And second one I am doing, see, it is 9 plus m plus n is equal to 10k. Let us suppose this thing and try to solve it using elimination method. Maybe you must be thinking why k is used. See, it's a very common procedure that whenever any ratio is given, like usually students do the question of triangles, let angles of a triangle are in ratio 2:3:5. Then they consider it 2x, 3x and 5x. Same concept we have used here. Now, we are going to use elimination method. How I am going to do? I am considering 9n into picture, and I am going to multiply this whole equation by 9. I am not doing anything to the first one, just multiplying it by 9. What will we get? 9 times 9 is 81. I am rewriting it. 9 times m will be 9m. 9 times n will be 9n. And 9 times 10 will be 90k. Right? This is what we will get. And what I am going to do now, I'm going to cross out this equation so that you don't get any confusion. Now these are the two equations you have to solve. I'm going to do subtraction here. If you do subtraction, all the signs will change. Let us change all the signs and let us see what we are going to get. 9n and 9n, it will be cancelled, right? And 45 minus 81, this is minus 36. 8m minus 9m is, this is minus m, and obviously n is already cancelled. 73k minus 90k, it is minus 17k. I request everyone to please check the calculation properly. This is going to be helpful. After this calculation, what I am going to do next step? I'm cleaning from here. From here, I'm going to find the value of m. Value of m will be, if m goes to right side, it will come to the left side. So value of m is coming as 17k minus 36. This is the one value I am keeping with me. You will find very interesting solution. One value I have found. Now second concept was, the bottom equation was m plus n plus 9 is equal to 10k, right? So substitute this value of m here and find the value of n. If m 17k minus 36 is substituted here, what will we get? We are to find the value of n from this situation. How would we find n? Say this 17k, when moved to right side, it will be subtracted from 10k and we will get minus 7k. Minus 36 plus 9. Minus 36 plus 9 is minus 27. When it will move to right side, you will get plus 27. So ultimately, I am getting value of n as minus 7k plus 27. When a lot of calculations are involved, we should recheck the calculation. Let me just recall it. M was put as 17k minus 36. N plus 9 is there, 10k is there, 17k goes to right side, minus 7k. Minus 36 plus 9 is minus 27. Yes, same, correct calculation. Now these are the two values of m we are having. But you must be thinking that we wanted to find the value of m plus n. What is this found? And how would we proceed? How would we get the correct answer? See, now time starts for the selection of value of k. Selection of k means k can be taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, it's an integer. But which value of k is satisfying here? See, if I take value of k as 1, it will become 17 minus 36. M will be negative. Counting can never be negative. So k is equal to 1 is not satisfied. If I take k is equal to 2, still it will become 34 minus 36. M will still remain negative. If I take k is equal to 3, let me take k is equal to 3, it is satisfying both the equations. 17 times 3 is 51. 51 minus 36 is 15. And same way n. If I take k as 3 here, it will become minus 21 plus 27. So n will be 6 and m plus n will be 15 plus 6, 21. See, the same answer is there which I found earlier. You must be thinking, sir, why you have not tried k is equal to 4? First point, I tried 1, I tried 2, I didn't get my answer. But for k is equal to 3, both are being solved. You can try with k is equal to 4 now. If you will take k is equal to 4, then your n will become negative, this one. If you will take k as 4, it becomes minus 28 plus 27, so n will be negative. So there is only one value of k, which is 3, it can satisfy it. And hence we are getting answer as 21. I know it was a big solution, but somebody had sent this question to us. That's why we have created this video. Thank you so much for watching with the patience.